Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on SLP token. SLP is breaking down a very significant support of 1.55 cents, and on the small time frame it has also broken down a falling wedge pattern, and now it is re-entered the same falling wedge. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this falling wedge pattern that I was showing you in my last video. And finally here, a few hours back, we broke it down, and after the breakdown we retested the previous support as a resistance and moved more down from here. And now we had another short rally on the small time frame, and we are re-entered in this wedge. But if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then here we have another long-term support that SLP is still following on this 4-hourly time frame chart. We can see that we have bounced here, we have bounced here, we have bounced here, and 1, 2, 3 more bounces here as well. And if I connect all these bounces, all these candlesticks, then we can see SLP is following and not breaking down this support since after 26th of March. And we can see here we also have some rejections as well. If I connect all these rejections, then we have a very long down channel that was started here on 24th of March, and right now we are just bounced by the resistance, by the support of the falling wedge. Here we had a very big fake out, we had a very nice move, and again we moved back down inside the channel. And now after re-entering the channel, it is again getting rejected by the same resistance that was coming from here. Now if the price line moves up from here, then the resistance of the channel is approximately at 1.6 cents. In that situation, it is possible that it will be recovered back, and we will also move above this very, very important support of 1.55 cents that I've been telling you. It's very important and significant support for SLP. This is the daily time frame chart, by the way, we are right now. And we can see that it was moving inside this channel. It is moving inside this channel since after May 2021, and recently we had a fake out, a very small fake out here. But again, we re-entered the channel, broke down all the supports. Like we had the support here of 2 cents, broke it down, then we broke down 1.75 cents. It was breaking as a support here, as a support here, and again we broke it down, and we were at the next support of 1.55 cents, and you can see it was breaking as a nice support here, and now we are breaking down this support. Now for example, if it will completely break down this support and we will have the daily closing below this support, then it can also break down, it is also going to break down then this support of the channel as well, and it can also drop at the next support that is very down from here at 1 cent. Therefore, it is very important for the price line to not break down the support of the channel, and we should be move above this resistance of that, because it is now working as a resistance 1.55 cents. We should move above this resistance now as soon as possible. So next few hours are very important for SLP token, because we have just bounced by the support of the channel on the 4-hourly time frame chart, and if it will reach here at the resistance of the channel, then there will be a high probability that it will break out this resistance of 1.55 cents, and it will move above this level, and it will again use this level as a support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.